In the previous lesson, we made an application that includes a text field. The text entered into the text field was displayed in the label object when the button was clicked. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the password field object. Password field is used when we don't want the input entered by the user to be visible on the screen. Let's do an example. I create an object from the JPasswordField class. Using the setBounds method, I place the password field on the window and set its size. I will change the position of the text field in the Y coordinate. I positioned the object a little higher. I add the password field to the window. The entered value is not displayed on the screen. Now let's learn how to change the properties of the password field. I can change the font using the setFont method. You don't actually need to set font like I did. It will be enough to just change the size. Asterisks are displayed a little larger. An asterisk is displayed for each character. We can change this. I will use a question mark instead of asterisk using the setEchoChar method. A question mark is shown for each character. We can show both entered values in the label object. I can do this with the function I defined for the button. I will also send the text of the password field to the setText method. I can do this with the getText method. Both entered values are shown in the label object. In this video, we learned how to use password field. I recommend you to watch next Java tutorial.